In this video, I will show you how to transfer PDF file from your mobile to your pen drive. So let's begin. Firstly, you just need a converter. Here you can see this is USB to USB-C converter. Firstly, you connect it to your pen drive. So after connect, simply connect it to your mobile. Right now open file manager, and here you can see USB storage connected, also showing USB devices. So firstly you just need to select your PDF. So here you can see it's loading. This is my PDF that's I want to transfer to my USB storage. So just copy it. After copy, you simply select USB storage and paste here. So right now I'm going to show you a USB device, and here is my PDF. So in this way you can very easily transfer a PDF file to your mobile phone to pen drive very easily. Thank you everyone for watching.